In this video, you'll learn how to share your Amazon shopping cart with others using the built-in sharing features. First, click the cart icon to view all the items you've added and get them ready to share with others. Next, choose product options like color if needed, then open the sharing menu and select your preferred sharing method, such as email or X. If you'd like to organize your purchases, go back and select the option to create a new list. This is helpful for saving items or planning group shopping. Now, select a specific product you care about, add it to your list, then continue shopping to explore more options. When you're ready to share, go to the Business Insights area, then click the Share button to access the sharing tools. Copy the sharing link so you can easily send your cart or list to others. You've seen how easy it is to share your Amazon cart or list with friends or colleagues.